Wagwan people, me there again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Now I am going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media, and these pieces of videos have been recorded within Jamaica. Now these pieces of videos shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica went to a certain location within the country of Jamaica for a certain reason or a certain amount of reasons. So may I say, now I got the understanding that at least one of these pieces of videos shows a certain amount of persons who had been arrested or detained by police from within the country of Jamaica, and at least one of these pieces of videos shows a person who was hopping on one foot. Some persons might say the person was hopping on one leg, viewers and subscribers, so I assume that that person might have been injured. That's what I'm saying to you. And at least one of these videos shows a police service motor vehicle that has ST.Thomas DIV along with other letters and words marked on it, viewers and subscribers. You can also hear persons yelling and shouting in these pieces of videos as well, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to present these pieces of videos still so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation. And I'm also presenting these videos still because the whole situation is being talked about certain places on social media. Now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I want to know why we can't go in.
Man, we don't deal with him more professional more than this.
I want to pop it over there.
No more body now. Go in there. Miss, who inside there? In there already.
So who fired? So where we are going to go? Who's the police? Me not pushing it down. Me not pushing it down. Me not violate you. Me not violate you, but me I say a full yard. Why we can't come in? Why we can't come in?
Sorry. Sorry.
Me want to know the reason
So now go draw a line and me gate why me can't go in?
You see them passes?
Why? Why you going to kill me? Why not going to kill me in the yard? Why not going to kill me? Why you not going to kill me in the yard? Kill me in the yard! You know what kill me in the yard?
You can't touch me.
Come here to your pit. Kill me in the yard. Let me go now. Let me go. I see it. What me see this pan straight.
No, lady.
Let me go now.
Come on. Let me easy. Easy. We can't go inside. Let me know we can't go.
Stop! Let me hear what the man said. I feel the yard.
After the
I'm 30 years. Believe that I saw 250. You're 43.
Baby. And then look boy.
No, look at me on the mother. We are 44.
police are conduct an operation right here. I ask you to kindly remove the cell.
Me a video
say it again.
And a pass here.
Put your gun off for me, please. Put your gun on your side. Put your gun on your side.
Don't do that.
Put your gun down.
Don't do that. Cause we have a money too. Can't tell me that. Let me move. Cause any other money, pepper spray me. Me and you. Me and you. Me and you. Any other pepper spray me. Me and you. That one you're gonna see, you know. You la move. You la move.
You saw them eat Look how they do them.
Alright.
Look how they brought me by the foot.
Yeah.
Look how they brought me by the foot.
The one I'm standing down and him can't see, you know.
Look how they brought me by the foot.
Clear one.
You're right, Dick.
You can't tell what we have a party at the Emily Pesto. You're an idiot.
Do not go past
You can't tell what me figure. You can't tell what me figure. You can't tell what me figure. 40 of you and live here. Oh, I'm doing about this don't want me this, you know. This don't want me this, you know. The boy just a come from court. They want the boy a court saying a report. I mean, have the book every Wednesday they call this for a report. And then they come back when I live nowhere.
You not tell me who not who did they kill me?
What you know? Me don't know who now. Who not even live nowhere.
Keep on firing! Don't tell me dreams should then come. Dreams should then come.
Okay, so there are the pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers. You know, I got some unconfirmed information about that situation, as I say. But if you listen to those pieces of videos carefully, you can hear at least one person saying some things that might give you somewhat of an understanding about the situation, viewers and subscribers. As I say, you see it, but you don't know the thing go. Would I like to get information just to hear what really and truly happen and what really take place, viewers and subscribers? You understand me? Yeah, me I tell my people, this world we live in, we don't know when certain things are gonna stop happening. You know what I mean? When I say certain things, I mean like the whole confrontations and all kind of things. You know what I mean? Now, here I am going to present another video to you. And while you listen to some words that a person say in this video, I am going to tell you what I think about some words that a person say in this video, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Look, listen and observe, my people. Just look, listen and observe.
You know, I want a picnic.
Go ahead, talk again.
I said my mother and my daughter no want a picnic and give me a take him and I send him go road go turn over.
What is the yard? Gaza?
Him a live off and values.
What is the yard?
Him a live off and values.
What is the yard again? Repeat again. Come in.
You're good, man.
What is it?
You're good.
Repeat again. You get one thing going for that. What is it? Talk again.
You're good, man. You're good.
And he laugh too, you know. You see what I say? My people, if I joke him around, me no run them kind of joke there. Me not appreciate none of them words that me hear a while ago. See me I say, yeah, some people run some serious jokes, you know, but at one point me all I wonder if there is some form of a mental problem based on some words I say in that video. My people, there's no way a man who I think is of sound mind would think certain ways. Yes, I answer my people. Well, you have some people them have them sound mind and them no insane and them do madness still. But my people, John, me I tell you truth, me not appreciate some of the words of me hear in another video that if I joke that person there run, them joke the too serious for my use. So let me know what you think about that the video, my people. Alright, so now I'm going to present another video to you. I want to say this to each and every motorist. Be careful how you park and leave your motor vehicles without watching your motor vehicles, because you have some dishonest persons out there. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person somehow removed something from out of a motor vehicle that help a motor vehicle to operate properly, viewers and subscribers. Now you look at the video and tell me, what do you think the person removed from the motor vehicle and what would you call a situation like that? You see what I say? Yeah, in my point of view, the situation didn't look good. But tell me what you think about this video. Observe my people. Alright, my people, now take notice of that person the way you can see in the video right there, so my people. You see me I say? See me? Now, me know that let me just watch a video. Look, get to see it. Look how the person and move. Look on the suspicious behaviors. Look on the things that the person do. Watch it. Look there. All them foolishness there.
Tu m'as noté quoi non dans vida Jamie.
And then the person just walk gone just so with that thing right there. So me I say, listen, in my point of view, anyone who forcefully enter someone's motor vehicle or go inside of someone's motor vehicle without the owner's permission and remove anything at all, I consider that as stealing. You see me I say, I'm not talking about family members who will might borrow something or so forth. You see me I say, people. So I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say, yeah, me know say it's common knowledge to many adults that when it comes down to motor vehicles and quite a number of things, you have to be careful because you have a lot of dishonest persons out there, and that right there, so no look right to me in that video, them people. So you can't tell me anything about that situation. There, I think yes, I'm gonna leave it now. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.